What's up guys, my name is Serge. If you're new here, go ahead, smash that subscribe button, show some love, and go ahead and hit that like button. So we're gonna go ahead and talk about, do you really want financial freedom in 2019, right? 2018 is coming to an end now, and everybody is kind of just celebrating the holidays, kind of reminiscing on the year, what they're grateful for, what they're thankful for. So going into 2019, what is it that you want? Some of us are closing off the year by planning for new opportunities that are coming in 2019, or ways of spending more time with our family, or even knowing how to make more money, or even making more money in general. Regardless of what it is that you're planning in 2019, I kind of want you guys to stop and ask yourself, what is it that is stopping you from getting to your dream, right? Whether that's money, whether that's whatever your dream is, what is it that's stopping you? I just want to take time today, and then just not today, but even in the next couple of weeks, for you guys to reflect on this year and just kind of enjoy and be grateful for all the successes that you've had, for the failures that you've had even, and then just kind of have that fuel you to go into 2019. I know we all make New Year's resolutions, right, on different things that we want to achieve, but I want you guys to honestly write it down. I do too. I've been planning since August what I'm gonna do in 2019, which that's just me because I'm an overthinker, and if you're like me, you probably have those plans already. I know I've had a lot of failures this year in 2018, and so for 2019, I definitely want to avoid a lot of those failures. So I'm already planning on how I can just save more money, how I can free up more time for other projects and businesses, and even just spending time to go see my family, and to be able to get there and do things the right way, the smart way. And 2018 has definitely been a huge year for me in the sense of just learning about who I am, about business, and so much more in general. And then in life, you know, it was when I moved out on my own. So I encourage each and every one to start working on a plan for 2019. And in Proverbs 16:9, in their hearts humans plan their course, but the Lord establishes their steps. So, you know, there's nothing wrong with just planning something for the future. But if you're a man of faith like myself, and you know and trust God with all your heart, let him guide your steps and you'll be all right. So just trust God along the way and you'll be okay. Thank you guys. Enjoy the holidays. Stay safe out there. And I will see you guys all in the next video. And if you haven't yet, go ahead, hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and leave a comment down below what your guys' goals for 2019 are. Thank you and God bless.